Hello friends, in today's video, I will discuss with you top 5 IPOs to watch out for in 2023. Initial public offerings IPO are arranged with investors. This is because they believe that IPOs have the potential to bring in big returns in the long term. In 2022, India witnessed a slew of IPOs driven by positive investors' sentiment. A total of 1.3 trillion rupees in funds was raised from just IPOs last year. The slowdown in IPOs was mainly due to weak investor sentiment amid higher market volatility led by geopolitical tensions and weak macroeconomic indicators. With markets recovering, the IPO rush is all set to begin again. Now here are 5 IPOs that could hit the markets in 2023. First on our list is Arrival Stays, popularly known as OYO. OYO is a new age technology platform focusing on short stay accommodation. It was developed to address the pain points in the supply and demand side by bridging the gap between the two in the hospitality industry. The company has the largest footprint of over 157,000 hotels storefronts in India and overseas. It offers over 40 products and services to its partners and customers across 35 countries. So far, OYO has raised around $4 billion through 19 rounds of funds. The company filed its draft red herring prospect DRHP in October 2021 and had planned to launch its IPO in 2022. However, due to volatile market conditions and bearish market sentiment, OYO postponed its IPO, worrying that its valuation might get affected. According to the prospect, it plans to raise 84.3 billion rupees, out of which 70 billion rupees will be from fresh issues and the remaining 14.3 billion rupees through stake sale by existing investors. The company plans to use these funds for repaying debts and funding its growth plan. The hotel industry was affected by the pandemic and so far OYO's business. As a result, in the last 3 years, the company's revenue has fallen by an average of 28.7%. However, revenge travel helped the company revive its business, and in the last year, its revenue grew by 20.7% year-on-year. OYO is a much anticipated and much awaited IPO in India and will be one of the biggest IPOs in 2023. Now, second on our list is the largest edtech company, Byju's. It's a learning platform with over 50 million registered students and over 3.5 million paid subscriptions. The company offers its customers personalized learning, technology-enabled learning, and the best teachers and engaging content for private learning. In the last 5 years, the company has grown through acquisition and has acquired companies such as Epic, Osmo, and Akash Educational Services. Apart from diversified product offers, the company also enjoys a high customer retention rate. Byju's revenue has grown at a compound annual rate of 21.2% in the last 3 years. In the financial year 2022, it reported gross revenue of 100 billion rupees, as against 22.8 billion in the financial year 2021. Byju's is planning to go for an IPO in 2023, but it is now finalizing IPO plans of 81.39 billion rupees for its tutoring arm Akash Educational Services. So far, Byju has raised $5.5 billion from investors such as Qatar Investment Authority, Tiger Global, and BlackRock. Next on our list is Swiggy. It is an online food ordering and delivery platform. It was established in 2014 in Bangalore and currently serves over 500 cities in India. Apart from food delivery, Swiggy delivers groceries and packages through Swiggy, Instamart, and Jenny. It has also launched a loyalty program in 2021 to offer special discounts to its customers. Currently, the company has partnerships with more than 150,000 restaurants and had a strong fleet of over 260,000 delivery executives delivering food to its users. Recently, it has also acquired Dineout, a leading dine-out and restaurant tech platform. In the last 3 years, company's revenue grew at a CAGR of 25.4%, driven by high orders. Its losses has also narrowed by over 7 billion rupees during the same time. Swiggy plans to raise around $1 billion through IPO in 2023. It was already gearing up for an IPO and hired JP Morgan and ICICI Securities to run its books. The company will hire more merchant banks to run the process in the coming few days. So far, company has raised around $3.6 billion in 15 rounds of funding. Going forward, the company aims to increase its consumer base to 100 million and accelerate the digital transformation in the food industry. Now, fourth on our list is GoFirst, an ultra low-cost carrier in India. It was a part of Wadia Group, the parent company of the famous Bombay Dyeing and Britannia Company. Founded in 2005, Go first carried over 80 million passengers across 39 destinations, including 10 international destinations. The company's fleet comprises 57 aircraft and has ordered another 94, which it expects to take delivery soon. It is one of the fastest growing airline companies with a market share of 10.8% in 2020. In the last 3 years, its revenue has grown at a CAGR of 16.4%. However, its net loss widened mainly due to the rising fuel cost. The company filed its DRHP in May 2021 and planned to launch its IPO in early 2022. However, the company delayed the IPO because of weak consumer sentiment around aviation stocks. Its DRHP also expired in August 2022, requiring the company to refile for the IPO. GoFirst plans to raise funds worth Rs 36 billion through an IPO. The company plans to use the funds to repay its debt and other obligations. Going forward, it aims to launch its IPO in 2023 and grow its market share through its ultra-low-cost carrier model. Now, last on our list is a natural beauty and personal care company, Mamaearth. Founded in 2016 as a baby care brand, Mamaearth is now a beauty and skincare brand which operates in India, Southeast Asia, Middle East. The company operates as an omni-channel brand and sells its products online and offline. Its parent company, Honasa Consumer, acquired and nurtured several brands in its 8 years of existence, such as Mamaearth, the Derma Company, Aqualogica, Ayuga, Be Blunt, and Dr. Sets. In the last 3 years, Mamaearth's revenue grew at a CAGR of 105%. The company also turned profitable in the financial year 2022 and reported a profit of 198 million rupees against a loss of 13.3 billion rupees the previous year. The company announced its plans to raise $300 million through IPO in 2023 and will soon draft its prospectus. It plans to use the funds to set up offline stores across the country. So far, Mamaearth has raised a total of $111.6 million in funding over the 8 rounds from investors such as Sequoia India, Sterilize Ventures, and Fireside Ventures. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Financial Pulse for business and financial market update.